Welcome today. Today I'm having a Toyota Landcruiser. This is a 79 series, and the problem with the car is the ABS light is staying on. So I picked up the car and I checked the diagnostics. It is in the rear difflock switch. I've checked the connection and I found that the switch they had broken it. I don't know whether it is someone, you can see they were trying to fix the car with the super glue, so the client need to switch up the switch so that the ABS can be okay. Also, I'll be showing you the engine. The car is very okay. It's very windy here in Mombasa. It is a V6 engine. You have the hydraulic brake booster there. It is a 2UZ engine, of course. A V8, 4,700 cc. We have our battery. That's how our engine looks.